So, any first-timers for a pull? You're going to be learning a lot tonight. Mr. Bruce Boll, first puller of the night. Flexibility, and the trucks will pull a little bit better sometimes. Green flags on the track for Mr. Jim Meyers. Not that usual for Mr. Jim Meyers. He really babied it out of the hole, but as you can see, it definitely paid off. Tyler Zimmerman's got the green light for the sled, and he's off and running. You might not be the winner of this class, but I tell you, give him a round of applause. That is a smooth hook. He just went on a Sunday drive right there. That was beautiful. A little more horsepower, and I guarantee you that boy will be down the end. We got the lights on the sled. Green flag. Mr. Alan Hack with the Ford fans. It's your first truck. You better cheer him on. We ain't got a lot left in this class. I tell you, the last time I seen that truck pull, it did not sound like that. He is getting somewhere with that baby. It's so quiet. I tell you, the new drivetrains with the low gears, man, they help them trucks a lot. That Ford is up there. He's up on the big end. We'll see what his distance is. Another man with a lot of experience behind the wheel. We'll see if he can get it here, to get it done here tonight in Lebanon. He's done it before. We'll see if he can do it again. Believe me, she's going to do it. Right, yeah, we got Miss Audrey Ferguson out of Elkton, Maryland. 2002 Chevy 2500. We'll wait for that distance. out there. Roy. And Chris Wagner's got the go light. I tell you what, folks, not a bad hook for a motor that's breaking up a little bit. Almost like he's got a float or something fouling out, but I tell you, not a bad hook right there. He might sneak himself up in the top 5. Chevy Silverado, he's got a little work body in the back. Don't worry, folks, it is empty. Mr. John Price has been pulling for a little while. Seen him around locally, seen him up here. He travels around and has fun. Right now, I'll let him do the talking. I'm not sure if that truck's getting tired over the years or what. That truck used to light it up and be a force to be reckoned with. Anymore, it seems a little lazy, so I'm going to have to talk to John one day and be like, you're going to have to put some money in the motor there, bud.
Quality customer service and the sales of top-grade power equipment at fair prices to lawn care professionals, estate owners, and homeowners. They're located on East Lincoln Avenue in Myerstown.